Nieuwe night market in Luang Prabang. Yeah. Wordt hier weddenschap gedaan voor 50.000 kip van iemand die hier werkt in Jasper. En Jasper denkt dat hij hem kan verslaan, dus ik ben benieuwd, laat het zo weten. Keihard verloren natuurlijk. Woo! Nice try! Ontbijtje. Is hij nou gered of wordt hij vastgehouden?
Ja, dat is.
Is die andere hier? De Kuang Si watervallen. Oké, jij eerst.
Huh?
Jij eerst. Slot weer. Je kan het nu niet zo goed zien, maar ik heb een lekke band. Echt chill. Dus nu bij de mechanic. En dan wordt het gefixt. Voor 70k, wat is dat? 3,5 euro. Op zich valt mee. Maar toch jammer. Lekker crispy chicken. The night market. Image. Why not? Nice.
Yeah, because so...
So what are we drinking?
Soju!
Why are you keeping your hand before your face? Je hoort me echt niet hijgen of zo. Lekker sunsetje kijken. Echt niet druk hier. Lekker met het bootje.
Ja, nee, wel.
Houtoverpizza. Mooi plekje. Ga je denk je een lekker ontbijtje scoren hier op de morning market, Jasper?
Dat is niet over uit.
Nee. Beetje heftig eten allemaal.
Yeah, people also like to study.
It actually looks beautiful with the window.
You enjoyed the Royal Palace? Guys? So what happened yesterday?
Fight with tiger.
Yeah, fight with tiger.
Whoa!
Yeah, nice tattoo.
And you got also a little accident. What happened? You slipped?
Maybe.
You can't drive?
Yeah, Max can't drive. No, it's okay.
Are you what a nice name. Hier ging het ineens heel hard regenen. Nice weather. So which player are you?
Which one?
Which?
I have two.
But you
Professional baller.
but you can't bowl.
No,
You
I
said.
can. I'm a professional baller, obviously.
Kijk eens wie we hier hebben. Team uit Sri Lanka. Hallo. We are in Nong Khiaw with a nice karaoke boat. Beautiful. Finally we're playing a game, guys. Nice. Kijk dan, wat een uitzicht. Are you happy with the price?
Yeah, good bargaining.
Good bargaining, right? For only 500k 2 days. Let's go. Jungle trekking voor 2 dagen.
So many legs.
Yeah. 1,000 legs.
You like it?
Maybe maybe we can get it on the grill.
The name of the game.
Don't know, Kleutzak or something.
Backup.
Back up.
You like it?
Yeah. because I'm good.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
For the legs. You have to teach me this. So good.
Oh.
Perfect. This one.
Mm.
Yeah. Get me. Nice one. Yeah.
So Julia, in this village there are 47 families, and they go to primary school when they are 7 till 14. Then they're going to Nong Khiaw for secondary school. They live at the dormitory there, and on the weekends they come back to visit their families. Julia, vibe check?
Now,
Yeah.
looking like this,
Yes.
it was very steep. It's very hot. It's 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. Okay, nice. Beautiful views indeed.
Oh no, that's going to be on the internet.
Hi, Big. Hi. Nice, let's go. Almost there, guys. 1 hour. Oh, thank you, clouds. Let's go for beer swimming. Do you like it?
Thank you.
So this means Max gets lucky in his life. Kijk, lekker door de modder lopen. Na mijn douche. Na een best wel hard bed en wat hanen die je om 5 uur wakker maken, is een frisse duik in de Mekong Rivier toch wel lekker.
Did you
Did I?
ask yourself if you're dreaming?
No.
The camera so clear.
I know.
Good camera.
Beautiful viewpoint. Right, Max? Yes, let's go.
No.
Johnny.
We're going to the house.
Bye.
No, but I have also, I'm fine because I have a waterproof bag.
How are you guys doing? Nice waterfall? Some kayaking. Woo! Looking forward, Julia?
Yeah, looking forward for the rain.
Nice. We're back, Big. Bye.
Let's get in cocktail.
Let's go. Cheers. Luke, and we all meet again.
So you already said you.
Cheers. Exactly 3
Exactly?
to go through accommodation and like
1.
one message please. Like,
Ah, fuck.
That's
right.
It's right.
it's again right.
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
The big one. What?
Yummy. Morgen lekker 8 uur met de bus naar Vang Vieng. Een nieuwe plek om te ontdekken. En doei te zeggen naar Nong Khiaw. Met een waanzinnige natuur hier. Doei.